Hi, my name is Dana. I'm the director owner of Qualicare Edmonton Northwest, and we help the people in Edmonton and surrounding area. I do what I do because I love helping people. This is why I got into this in the first place. I was a teacher before this and taught for 18 years, and now I'm still doing similar kinds of things and still helping people. It's just through a different kind of journey, and it's just so fulfilling when I am able to help families and our clients. Some of the services that we have with Qualicare Northwest, we have everything from medical to non-medical services. So if you're needing more help with personal care, medication assist, we can certainly do those things, but we can also help with housekeeping, meal preps, doing errands. We really just try to help our clients out as much as we can, and we call it the 360 approach. We had a client once who was just hesitant with care. She just wanted her family members to help, but just like a lot of other families, people are busy, right? They have jobs, they have families of their own that they have to care for, and they still want great care for their loved one. And by the time they get to us, we know that they're frustrated. We know what they've gone through. There are a lot of similar types of stories, and we're here to help. So this one family in particular, they were just overwhelmed, and you can tell. And we walked through every step. We explained everything. We were good with communication, and I think that's what they appreciated, is that we were open about the process and real about the experience going through the care that's going to happen. And I think from the start to the finish, you can see the relief on their faces. They knew that they were going to get the care that they needed from us, and open communication and just making sure things are taken care of on our end just made the family feel so much better. It is a privilege and honor to help those who are in need. We know that loved ones, we want to care for them, and that's what we try to do, is that if you need some extra help, extra support, that's what we're here for, and we'd love for you to call and just have that conversation and see if we're a good fit.